Hey guys, so I started a YouTube channel. That's basically where we're at right now. My first vlog, I decided to feature Kayla and Brooke. I'll put their Instagrams down in the description. Hey guys, welcome to Clea's vlog. First vlog of the year, let's go. I'm Brooke, this is Kayla. Yeah, let's go guys. Girl that treats you right. Alright, so right now we're just looking at the lunch menu. I'm after school hours with Brooke and Andrew. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Ooh. Vegan options.
So what are you gonna get?
I'd like a nice fresh salad, please. I'm just kidding.
Can I have a fruit salad, please?
I'd like the chili cheese fries. Andrew. We found out Brooke has a bald spot. You're actually balding.
First name?
Andrew. Instead of monkey head.
He's getting all nervous. You want to be in my vlog?
Yeah.
Well, you're already in it, so.
Like, subscribe, comment down below.
I just spent $115.
Good for you. Okay.
You already tried it on.
I tried on the extra.
You're literally. Why are you trying it on?
I'm trying on the large.
Just pay for it. Oh my gosh. Don't get all. Andrew has a test today.
Yeah.
First period, and so we're really late, so it's fine. But
red light also.
School starts at 7:30, and we're just now on our way at 7:23, basically. So.
We'll be fine, actually.
Actually, no, we should be. Actually, we're at the parking lot. There's our. There's our lovely school. Actually, that's classified information. We can't show you our school. All right. That's classified. Basically.
Right there.
Yeah, park right there. We're gonna go to school. Oh, school just ended. Look who came to see.
Hey, vlog.
Justice and Kevin in the vlog. Hi,
Hey.
Justice.
Yeah.
These are my friends. That's Justice and where's Kevin? That's Kevin. And there's Andrew. There's my best friend Chloe. Hey.
Who is this?
I'm sorry. It's my YouTube channel.
Oh my
She's
gosh.
trying to for cars.
Oh my gosh, the bus is so loud. That's our school bus.
This is my group.
Oh my gosh, how many times do you have to say this? Speech input.
That's
Oh my gosh, don't make fun of that.
speech impediment.
Oh my gosh, she would cut us off. Bro. Hey you, why would you cut us off like that?
What?
Why would you cut us off like that? Exactly, no words.
No pictures, please.
Stop. Did you roll up the window? Okay.
No pictures.
Oh my god. Excuse me.
Hey, vlog. So Clea just got her nose pierced.
I decided to be bold. I got my nose and my doubles.
Oh, and
I'm
her doubles.
so excited.
Tried to film inside.
But they said we
the
couldn't
lady got
film
mad at
because
me,
we wanted to
so-
film for you guys, but they wouldn't let us.
Yeah.
So it's fine. But okay, I'm not getting splashed.
Hey, vlog. So
Andrew's
we're driving in a thunderstorm, and then I don't like it at
It
all.
finally rained in California.
Oh my god.
It's so much. Like you can actually see, like the roads are
There's
actually
like a layer
flooded.
of
Like
and
the
I'm
roads are
driving
literally
people. We had to just drive down the hill from Valley Center.
Valley Center is a city. Our city, you have to go up this like huge hill to get to the next city, and we were driving back down to like get home.
And it was down this giant mountain.
And there was
it's like
so
flooding,
much.
and there's
There,
lightning
oh my
and thunder.
gosh.
We're
Yeah.
in Southern California. Why is this happening?
Like I'm sorry, but San Diego. I'm sorry. What is
turn.
some Thanksgiving decor? Ooh, she killing the game.